Okay, boys and girls, we are going to be reading a new drama this week called Gigi and the Wishing Ring. So I would like us to get familiar with our new vocabulary for the story. And our first word, oh, I like this, is the word eminent. Everybody say eminent. And that's an adjective. An eminent person is famous and important. Famous and important. So someone who's eminent is famous and important. And here's our sentence that goes with that word. Abraham Lincoln was an eminent person who believed that people should be treated fairly. Does anybody know, can think of somebody, a person that we would say was eminent? Anastasia? Yes. What, did you say Walt Disney?
Yeah.
Yes, Walt Disney. Sorry, the box was gone. Who else is eminent? Clark?
Martin Luther King Jr.
Who?
Martin Luther King Jr.
Yes, Martin Luther King Jr. Very good. So, I'm going to put the definition of eminent here. Eminent. So, a person who is famous and important. Okay, so person who is famous and important. Eminent. Our next word is the word peasant. Everybody say peasant. That's a noun. A peasant is someone who is very poor and may work as a farmer. Peasant. So here's our example sentence. The girl that played a peasant in the movie washed clothes by the river. Peasant. There probably aren't very many peasants around anymore. We don't really use that term very often. Peasant. What are some words that come to mind when you hear the word peasant? Teddy?
Like homeless.
Okay, homeless. Anybody else? Yes. Juliana?
Slaves.
Oh, slaves. You think of slaves? Okay. Libby?
Maybe like a housekeeper.
Oh, a housekeeper? Yes? Poor. Yes, somebody who's poor. Can anybody think of a sentence with the word peasant in it? Teddy?
On my way to Tennessee, there was this guy. He was sitting on the side of the road with a sign.
Okay, that makes you think of a peasant? Okay, so let's write. We're going to write our definition for peasant. Someone who is very poor and may work as a farmer. Peasant. Our next word, I think, are we ready? People still writing? I'll give you another few seconds to finish writing. Our next word is the word stately. Stately. When something is stately, it is awesome or grand. So that word is an adjective. Everybody say stately. Okay, this is a stately building. This is a stately building. So, can you think of some things that are stately? Stately. For example, I can think of the Capitol building is a stately building. The White House is a stately building. Can you think of something that is stately? Yes.
The Lincoln Memorial.
The Lincoln Memorial is a very stately building, yes. Avery? The Washington Monument? The Washington Memorial? Yes, that's a stately building. Yes, very good. Mikey?
The USS Arizona Monument in Hawaii.
Yes, that's stately. Yes.
Mount Rushmore.
Mount Rushmore is stately. Very good. So stately. Something that is awesome or grand. So something that is stately is awesome or grand. Okay. Our next word is the word deceive. Everybody say deceive. So if you deceive others, you tell a lie or try to make them believe something that is not true, and that is a verb. Here's our example sentence. My friend tried to deceive his father, but his father did not believe the lie. So here, when you try to deceive, you lie and you try to get others to believe something that is not true. Deceive. Can anybody try to think about a time when somebody tried to deceive someone or tried to deceive you? Teddy?
When my brother said that he didn't take my iPad, but he actually did.
Okay, so he was trying to deceive you, yes. Very good. So let's write deceive. So we'll say telling a lie or trying to make others believe something that is not true. Okay, deceive. We'll wait for everyone to finish. Did you get all that? Please, fast writer. Good thing that was the left one, not the right. Like Gabe, huh? Okay. Who's still writing? Okay, Clark. Are you ready? Can I move to the next page? Now, our next word is the word superior. Superior. Everybody say superior.
Superior.
So someone who is superior is better and more skilled than others. And that's an adjective. And so here is our example sentence. Marta won the first place award, which is superior to the other contest champions. So superior. So something that is superior is better than all the other things. So you are a superior class of third graders, better than all the other third graders in the land of third graders. For sure. For sure. Superior. Does anybody else have some words that mean the same as superior? Can you think of any? What would mean the same as superior? Teddy?
Best.
Best. Good. Libby?
Wow.
What is it?
Wow.
Okay. Anastasia?
I was gonna say best.
That's, okay. So superior, which is an adjective. So we'll say someone who is better and more skilled than others. And here is our last word. Our last word is the word merciful. Everybody say merciful.
Merciful.
And that's an adjective as well. And someone who is merciful is kind and forgiving, just like Jesus, kind and forgiving. So here's our example sentence. If I do something wrong, my Father is merciful and always accepts my apology. Just like God is merciful, boys and girls. Merciful. That's what that reminds me of. God is merciful. So let's write our definition of merciful. Kind and forgiving. Kind and forgiving. Now, I'm going to give you some time to draw some pictures to go with your words. Pictures to go with your words.